Hey guys, this is Frosty8415. I was watching a fellow YouTuber, HDR, Harley Day Rider. Big shout out to him. He was doing a battery pack install on his helmet so that his SENA 10C Pro would last. His is white. He said he didn't see a black one. I use an Anchor battery pack. It's chargeable. You can hook it right up to your 10C Pro. It's got a level marker here. Tells you what level the charge is once you plug it in. It'll have, those are 3 blue lights, 1, 2, and 3. That way you can leave your 10C Pro plugged up to it and keep it charged all the time. Works really great. You just run a USB cable to that, run it up out of your... I carry mine in my pocket instead of on my helmet because you can hear, these little suckers are heavy. They hold a charge a long time. You can use them to charge up your phone, anything. But I keep it in my vest pocket with a USB cable, run it up underneath my chin strap so that it doesn't flop around, and just plug it into the back of my SENA, and it keeps my SENA charged up. I don't have the SENA 10C Pro yet, but I'm going to get it. I'm actually looking at it this week. But if you're looking for the black one, HDR, it's an Anchor. It's not very expensive. I don't remember how much I paid for this one, but it's really, really durable. I love this. I use it a lot for my phones. Just a little update there. This is Frosty8415. I'm out.